definitely coming now. Got more. Put it down in there a little. Today we're going to change the supercharger fluid on this 2011 GT500. And from what I can tell, any Mustang with the Eaton on it, process is about the same. And even with the TVS, pretty sure the process is roughly the same. Now, I'm not driving this exceedingly hard, but I am romping on it a bit. And I've only had the car for 2 years, and I don't know if that fluid's ever been changed before, so we're gonna do that today. The fluid extractor, syringe type, I got on Amazon, I think for about $8 with a small hose. I think it's a 5mm hose. You need a 3/16 Allen wrench or socket, some gloves, some paper towels, and your fluid, of course. I decided to go the budget route because everyone seems to think this is just fine, and it is quite a bit cheaper than the recommended fluid. I warmed the car up for several minutes. I could still put my hand on it, but it feels good and warm, so the fluid should be nice and thin and easy to extract. We'll start by wiping off around the little plug. Fairly clean, but we don't want to take a chance of any dirt getting inside there. Then we're going to put some paper towels around everything, stuffed up underneath there. And get your Allen wrench. Set this aside, clean it off. It's got some grit and grime on it. And we're gonna take our syringe with our hose. We're gonna stick it down in there. There we go. All right, now we're looking like we might actually be getting there. And that is pretty dark. So what is that, 100 mil, a little over 100 ml? I believe that means it's about 3.5 ounces, which is close to correct for how much you can extract with this, but I'm gonna empty this into a container and then see if I can get a little bit more out of it. Yeah. Alrighty, that's all we can get out of it, which seems to be normal. I'm gonna pull the whole 4 ounces out of this container. You can see how clear it is. Pouring into the top might have been a better idea, because this is just slow.
Just the supercharger?
Yeah, supercharger oil. The supercharger. So that's the full container in here, which is just a little bit more than I pulled out of the supercharger, and now we're gonna put it back in. Towards the end, we're gonna keep an eye for any overfill. If it starts to leak out, we know we're done. It's, I guess, supposed to be at the very edge of that hole, or just barely dribbling out, and that's how you know you've got enough fluid in there. So a tiny bit dribbles out, and then maybe if I can capture it, you can actually see the fluid level is right at the edge of the threads. And that is what we're looking for. It's right there. So that should be good. We put in a little bit more than we pulled out. I threw away the fill plug. Yep. Ah. Pro tip, don't throw away your fill plug. You'll need that. Okay, a nice crank, but not too hard. I think that's good. And we're done.